go for a ride? Let's go do some shopping. All right. Good girls.
Did you realize that you had hot dogs in your truck? It's 100 degrees out here. Please open your vehicle.
Yeah. I'm walking in danger.
Would you hold this for me, young lady? You know, this is a serious violation, man. You can't have hot dogs in your car. I'm Officer Kyle Coiner with the Colony Police Department. And on a serious note, it's still hot out here, about 100 degrees, so you can only imagine how hot it is in here. Just to let you know, no animals were hurt in the making of this film. Do you ever stop eating? No? Okay. Remember, if you see something, say something.